Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you are new here, hello, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new, thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate it. So for today's video, I do have a new thing to try out, which I think is kind of exciting. It's I picked up two of these Smashbox Always On cream eyeshadow. And I think they're just super pretty. I kind of went with a bit more safe colors. I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of these couple of colors that I picked up. These are the two shades. The pink one is called Guava and the brown one is called Sepia. And I just think they're really, really pretty. So I'm excited to try these out. Do a little cream shadow action and then top it off with a beautiful shimmer. That is what we're gonna do today. I've got my Desi Claro KC Vitamin C Glow Serum on already. And now it's time for some Auric, I would say. That's what we're going in with here. I've got Auric and Morganite, one pump, and we're just gonna put it on the whole thing. The Desi Glow Serum and the Auric Glow Lust play really well together. Like, they just do it for me. They're so stunning. I love them. Now we've got a couple fresh breakouts, which are killing my vibe, but I got one here, and then I have this other fucker over here. Time for some foundation. I'm going to take my One True Love Fenty Easy Drop Skin Tint. Am I saying it wrong? Like, I feel like it's Easy Drop, but a lot of other people say Ease Drop, but like Easy Drop just sounds better in my head. We're going to apply it with our fingers, and I think I took too much. I find that applying it with your fingers is the best method. I haven't tried it with a brush, but like I literally never use brushes, so it doesn't interest me to try it with a brush. And then if you apply it like with your sponge, the sponge just soaks all of the product up. So if you go in with your fingers and then you go in after with your sponge, just blends it out perfectly. Now I'm just gonna wipe off my fingers on my makeup eraser. Okay, I think I just want a tiny bit right here. Now, I've said before that I've never had any problems with my Anastasia Brow Freeze, like clinging onto products. Like, I've used many foundations with it, but for some reason, this Fenty one kind of clings onto it if I have any excess product like on my eyebrow skin around my brows. So it's a little bit annoying, but I mean, you can always you can fix it. So I guess it is what it is. I mean, I guess I'm just like a sloppy bitch. Moving on. Okay, now we're gonna take our e.l.f. Flawless Concealer in the inner corner here. I like using this one in here just because it's a little bit brighter, so it helps to brighten up my darker under eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with my kosas one on the outer corner. I don't know why I do this, I just have been doing it for a while and like it. I'm gonna cover up that bad boy, cover up that other bad boy, and now we're gonna blend it in. Now we're gonna dive into an old favorite of mine that I haven't used for a long time, and she kind of got put on the back burner because I fell in love with a lot of other new bronzers. So I thought it was only fair to bring her back out. She's very used. Like, you can literally see how much I love this bronzer. This is the Tower 28 Bronzino in West Coast, and they've recently come out with 3 more shades that I never tried, but they have 3 more shades, which is nice. So since the whole entire center is out, wow, that was a lot. I'm really gonna massage this into my hand to make sure that the center of the brush has product, because it's just the product in the pan is only around the edge, so I need to like make sure that the whole brush is nice and saturated. It's just like a really nice bronze shade. It runs pretty warm, but I just think it leaves like the most beautiful glow. Oh, I got a zit here, fuck. That sucks. Right in a line of action. It's just like the most perfect sun-kissed glow. Like, I freaking love this bronzer. I do have another one, but I was gonna do a giveaway like when I have a more substantial amount of subscribers, but like maybe it'll expire before then. So maybe I should just use it, is what I'm trying to say. And now I'm just gonna take my sponge and just pat over some areas. Look at that glow, it's just stunning. Also, I'm drinking a smoothie, right? Oh. I ordered this subscription. Well, it's not really a subscription, it's like a meal box, I guess. Of smoothies. It's like HelloFresh, but for smoothies. It's called Revive, and I've only had 2 so far, and they're fucking delicious. But literally the inside of my freezer is like only smoothies, so look at that. Love that glow, dude. Love that glow. Now, for blush, I think for the eyes I want to use Guava. Oh, those are fucking identical matches. Those look pretty similar, so I'm definitely going to use this. I was debating on whether or not to use this one, but this one is a little bit more cool toned. So I'm going to go in with, what is this even called? She's So LA. And you're supposed to do, yeah, powder first and then cream on top. It's completely the opposite from what the bronzer is, so my brain has to like remember things. Powder blush. Now the cream. I'm gonna take the cream on a sponge. It's so pigmented. Like, I'm gonna dial it back a bit. Just a bit. And now we're gonna go in with some more Auric. Just a half pump. Oh my god, I got it everywhere. I'm taking the other side of my e.l.f. Camo concealer sponge. Looking glowy. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder right under the eyes. And I'm just setting a little bit of my face because why not? This powder is really beautiful though because it doesn't like fully, like it looks matte, but like in a couple minutes, once my makeup is settling in, and also when I add on a setting spray, it just like the glow comes right back and it's beautiful. It still has like the areas set that I want set, but also like looks the way I want it to once we're good. That is the face. I'm gonna blend all that away. Now I don't think I'm gonna set my lids because we are going on with the cream. So we're gonna leave it like that. Now, I don't know how much you're supposed to use, like really no idea. So we're gonna just go in slow and steady. And do I even have like, what kind of brush do you use with this? Do I know what I'm doing? Okay, well, maybe we'll go in first with our finger. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. It's just like a beautiful, like dusty rose. So stunning. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna start with one eye, I think, at a time because I don't want to mess it up. I've obviously brought it down a little bit too far. That looks really nice. It looks seamless, like it blended out so nicely. Holy, it doesn't look like patchy or anything. It looks really good. Okay. Do the other side. We'll see if it creases at all while I do the other eye. No, I think you only need a little bit, but I've taken that much. Okay, Marrol, dumbass. It's very pink. It's really cute though. It's like a nice little springy, it's pretty quick too. It's like a quick little spring makeup look. And now I think I have to put it on my bottom lash line. What is a good brush to do with that? This is a ColourPop E10. This is like a little tiny pencil brush, nice and dense. I'm gonna load that up with product and work it into the bristle so it's nice and evenly spread. That is super, super pretty. This would be a really nice blush shade as well, but like I'm not about to put it on my cheeks at this time. No creasing. That really did apply just like so beautifully. Just gonna take my powder brush and just diffuse it a little bit by the brow bone. And now we're gonna take some Auric Temper, this beautiful, beautiful shadow here. And then this is the color of the base for the Auric one, but we're not gonna use that. We're just gonna go in with the shimmer. So pretty. I'm now gonna pop on my mascara, so I'll be back in a moment. Oh. The fucking plastic thing has disappeared from my eyelash curler. Imagine if I curled them and my eyelashes got chopped off. I have a story from when I was in like grade 8, I think, art or something. My teacher, Miss Foster, told us the story of our friend used an eyelash curler and the fucking plastic thing came off and she literally chopped off all her eyelashes. So I'm so happy that I didn't do that. Where did it go though? I don't even, what the fuck? It's probably in my backpack. Oh my god, I just stabbed myself in the eyeball. I can't open it yet or else it's gonna cry. Oh man, that really hurt. Fuck. Oh god, it's crying. I just had really bad luck with this eyeball. Mascara is on, finally. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of this Kosas bronzer, I think, and just add a bit more. Why not? It's so pretty. I'm just taking it on like this huge brush. Pretty light, like it's not probably gonna do too much, but I just want to add a little bit more. This inner corner is looking stupid. It's from stabbing myself in the eyeball after many attempts to find a lip liner that I thought would match well. We're gonna go with this one. This is Milani Spice. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with my Merit lip oil in Au Naturel. Now we're going to do a nice coating of our setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. Okay. I haven't mentioned it for a while, but that setting spray is highly fragrant. I just swallowed it. All right, everybody, this is today's final look. I think that it turned out super fun, just like a nice little, it looks like, it's like pink lemonade kind of, you know? I don't know, that's just the vibe I got. I am excited to try out this other shade of the Smashbox Always On Cream Shadow in the shade Sepia. Can't wait to try that on. I'm really impressed with it though, like it blended out really beautifully. There's no creasing, there's no patchiness, there's none of that. Like it really is really pretty. So I'm pretty excited to have those in my little collection, if you will. Once again, if you're curious about how I get my brows like this, they're kind of dark right now because I did just tint them like fucking an hour ago. But that's my last video. You can check it out there. I shaved my face. I shaved my brows. I tinted my brows. That's that on that. I will have all the products I used today listed in the description box down below, along with my Instagram handle, and you can check me out there if you want. I post not frequently anywhere on Instagram or YouTube, but you know, we're gonna try to smash out some vids. Okay, I filmed 2 today. We're like looking up, we're looking good, things are well. That is gonna be it for me today, everybody. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and also thank you so much for all of the love on my channel recently. Like my last couple videos have been doing pretty well for my channel and the size of audience that I have. So thank you so much for all my new subscribers. There's some new people here. Hello, welcome. Thanks for being here with me. And yeah, thank you so much once again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.